This is my chassis and bulkhead I bought brand new galvanised. I've now T-washed it. I'm going to etch primer and then paint it black. These are the 4 stages side by side of the chassis, going from how it comes galvanised to T-washed, which degreases, cleans the surface and etches it ready for painting, etch primer and then painting. Chassis is black and the bulkhead is going to be white, the same colour as the rest of the bodywork. Here's my radius arms, panhard rod and a few other bits. I'm just going to clean them up and then paint them with red oxide and then black or blue, depending what it is. To get the bushes out, I used a hacksaw and cut a little section out like this. This is before and after I've cleaned it up with a wire brush and the drill and grinder. Got all my arms painted up and I've got a Super Pro polybush kit that's going in next. Use a fly press to press my bushes in. Put a bit of grease on that you get in the kit. Press that in there. And then press that through the middle afterwards. That's before, that's after. I've got my parts out ready to build up. I've got new bolts to put it all together with. Still need to change my steering box drop arm, which I've got a new one there to go on. And axle ends still need cleaning up, which I'm going to do when I get new brakes and put it all together. And put grease between all the metal to metal surfaces and on all the bolts. Most of the parts are on now. Next job's brakes. I'll take these off. Needle gun, wire brush, clean them up. Dump back. Already clean them up. Ready for them to go on. All my brakes are here. New discs. Calipers, fitting kit pads, caliper bolts. Ready to go on. Brakes are on. I've painted my calipers up. Backs as well. Half shaft sighting just yet because the original axle that came off were badly rusted. So I've got one off a Discovery which is the same apart from the diff flange is different. So it's either change the flange or change the diff. these bits I've got left to go on. I'm going to put in once the engine's in. There's a bit of weight on this front. So I put the panhard in, and it's not just lining up, so it should be a bit easier once the engine's in. Engine's ready to go in next. While I've got it out, I've got a new loft clutch to put in. I'm going to paint it up and change the car plugs to stainless steel ones so they don't rush through while I can get to them. I'm at the rolling chassis stage now. If I had my wheels on, I'm leaving them off for now until I get a bit further into it. I'll be doing another video where I put my engine in. If you want to see that, you know what to do.